Hey, it's Gene with Dent Repair Now. Today, we've got a brand new 2018 Dodge Ram. The gentleman picked the truck up at the dealership. He's driving it home, and of all things, a hawk flies into the fender, does all kinds of damage. The paint, thank goodness, wasn't harmed, and we're able to repair the whole thing with the paintless dent repair method. So come on over and let's take a look at the damage. We got a brand new Dodge Ram with just a couple hundred miles on it. The gentleman was actually coming home from the dealership and a hawk flew into the fender. So this thing's brand new. The damage isn't crazy deep or anything, but there's a lot of it. It goes from, you can see the buckle here, all the way back to here. We're gonna fix this using paintless dent repair and make it like it never happened. We're back with that brand new Dodge Ram that the hawk decided to fly into. This came out absolutely perfect. Just like it never happened. And all done using the paintless dent repair method. All right, so the customer was just in and picked up that 2018 Dodge Ram. They loved the repair. They're so happy that they didn't have to get it painted or replace the panel or anything like that. If you have a dent, a ding, even crazy damage from some wildlife, reach us at dentrepairnow.com or give us a call or text at the number below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.